Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel you all. How are you all? Hope everybody is good, fine, happening, enjoying. This video is for the year 2021, the next year, the most awaited year for each one of us. And this video is for Taurus. And before starting my video, I would like to thank you all for watching the videos I have uploaded and giving the channel a good response, and also for commenting. That I'm reading each and every comment which you have made on my channel, and I hope these are helping you to understand my videos more. And this video definitely is going to give you an insight of all the challenges which you're going to face in the year of 2021. Also the divine support, guidance, luck, and everything as a major event which is going to happen in 2021. So we will know what is coming up for you, Taurus, in the year 2021. So I am a clairvoyant and a clairaudient. I do channel messages from divine and your ancestors. Sometimes there are angel spirits connecting to me for a specific person or a community for the message. So I hope those are relatable to you and you get insights from that. This is all about helping each other, and I'm trying to make a community to help through divine guidance and spirituality as much as I can. I would like to also tell you that I'm coming up with videos relating to health issues. So I do understand body science, I do understand human body experiences, and through which I do relate to subjects of diseases and how to cure them. So there will be videos coming up where I will be telling you all that certain body emotions and everything relating to those diseases, how you can cure through your emotional healing, through your Reiki healing, through your chakra healing, or what is required to heal that particular disorder or issue or any sort of body ailment. So be ready to know the secrets of our body and with everything relating our body and the spirituality, and how to heal ourselves without even knowing if we are just taking medications, or if we are just taking kind of any sort of medication, Ayurvedic, or you have homeopathic or any sort of medication. But with that, I would never recommend to stop medication. But with that, what emotional healing you're supposed to do, and what has brought you to that disease, and why you are still maintaining that problem inside your body. I'm going to discuss those points, and I hope with those videos most of you can get rid of the long-term issues you're facing in your body. So this is going to be the next playlist on my videos, so be ready for that. And let's start with our Taurus video for 2021. Divine, guide me for Taurus 2021. What is coming up? All the divine messages are already there. So as we were discussing about health issues, and this is also coming for Taurus, that you were facing some sort of trauma which is healing, which also needs healing in this year as well. So you might be getting a focus shift on your traumas or on your health issues, Taurus. So I think you should take care of your health and be ready to heal yourself, be ready to heal your life and your health through proper medication and guidances. Also for some of you, I'm getting that you are recycling something. So maybe the old recycling, not only your old thought forms, but then you are recycling. Maybe some of you are starting a business of recycling, and you are recycling some thought forms or some energies and converting them into a better form of like expertise. So maybe some of you are channelizing your energies to gain some expertise on some craft, on something which you always wanted to, or maybe you are guided to. Taurus, also I'm getting that your major work is finished. In some sectors your major work is finished. Some grief is also gone. So maybe you were sad about something from a very long time, and now you feel out of that grief mode, and now you are ready to see the new things coming in your life. You're ready to move ahead in your life, which is very good. Also Taurus, I'm hearing that some sort of confidence issues some of you were facing. I think most of you were facing some confidence issues in your relationships, in your personal life, I think that is also going to be healed. So I think 2021 is going to bring you a sort of emotional as well as mental healing, and you will be healed so that you can move forward. Let's see what's coming in the tarot. And in between also I do get messages, so I will channel that to you. So this is for 2021, the entire year for the zodiac sign Taurus. I know everybody is waiting for what is coming up. Even I'm waiting to see what is going to happen in each one's sign, because we read energies and that's how everything is planned. So for Taurus, I think, yes, one important thing which I was just getting, something is ending and something is going to start. So maybe one relationship is ending and another is going to start. One project is ending which was pending, which was long term, and now maybe you're moving towards another project which is going to be your wish fulfillment project, the thing you wanted to do in your life. This is specific for some projects, for some people. Let's start with your challenges for 2021. What is going to be your challenge? Because we have to know the challenge to actually deal with it. And then I would like to pull out what luck is going to favor you in 2021. What is your luck sector saying, Taurus? I'm already getting that you will be making some new friends. Friends are also great luck, Taurus. Okay, major events in the year 2021 for Taurus. Maybe you will oblige some people, or you will be highly obliged with someone. Some people maybe, yeah. And the divine guidance for you for the entire year 2021. I feel, Taurus, that your entire energy is based on self-improvement. You want to improve yourself. You want to do everything of your improvement. Alright, let's check your challenges. Challenge is the movement. Challenge is getting desired outcome, getting something which you desire for. Because in the recent past, in 2020 or before that, you were confused, you were dealing with too much. You really thought that you're just balancing your personal life and professional life, or maybe in your personal life you were balancing too much, because then you were too stuck and busy with so many things that your focus was not there to actually take a big call on something. And the wish fulfillment is your challenge in this year, is that you have to move away from something to get something. You have to move away and you have to really give divine an opportunity to give you what you want, but you have to focus and you have to shift your focus and keep certain things pending, keep them in the past, and you have to shift your focus so that the divine says that, so that you can get your wish fulfilled. Something is waiting, something is really waiting outside for you. So you have to really keep your baggages behind. It's not time to deal with what is happening. It's time to see what's coming. And the challenge is that you cannot be always in a switch off mode. You cannot be cribbing about things. Actually, you have to just let those things, I wouldn't say let go, because I think some of the matters are still pending. They're not closed, but at least move forward. And you will have to, some of you are maybe the challenges that you want to shift outside your country and your visas and everything are pending and you just don't know how and when you're going to shift. So those will be the challenges, those legalities and your preparations and everything. Some of you focus is a challenge, that your focus is not there. So because you're engaged in so many things that the focus is not there. So I feel that you have to literally have a very clear focus of what you want, how you can achieve it. This is the challenge for 2021. You can't be engaged in so many things. If you want something, just keep on working on that level for that thing so that you achieve it. I think focus is important anyways, because if you will be like having focus on 4-5 things, you won't be able to achieve everything, right? The luck which is favoring you, as I told you, that you will have some interesting conversations with people, intelligent people. People might guide you very well, because we have a card of Wheel of Fortune, which according to the astral sciences is the card of Jupiter for me. So you will be getting a lot of guidances from your friends or the new ones which you will be talking to, you will be very happy with your stability, because you lost that stability in the recent past. That's why you were dealing and juggling between the two pentacles, two works, two conditions, two people. Every time it was like, which way to go, I don't know, but I don't know which is my stable way. But now the luck which is supporting you is the 10 of cups. So personally, I feel some of you might plan family and you feel stable with that. Maybe you were trying to plan it in the past, but you were not getting that sort of space and time to have a family. But now it is 10 of cups. So which is your wish fulfillment is definitely emotions and a family, kid specifically, some of you. So whosoever is planning a family, this year is very fruitful. Luck is favoring you. You should go ahead. Also, I feel that a reunion with your family member is also possible, that you are missing your family and now you're moving towards your family, or somebody's coming in your family who was like long waited. I feel that is going to happen. Also, you will feel that something is moving now. The life is moving ahead. The wheel of life is moving ahead from a down phase to a very graceful and uplifting phase is there. So yes, a lot of uplifting energies are there. Also, we have page of wands, which says that you will have your summertime specifically of this year having great conversations, having great stability conversations, having great interviews which you will plan and you will be successful in, and you will be free to communicate with your family, your loved ones, the ones you're waiting for. You will be really happy to actually have that communication, and maybe they will give you idea to shift out of your country or to have a different mindset towards your career or your personal path. Whatever it is, you are going to feel happy about it. You're going to feel really happy about it. Luck is favoring you in terms of communications, in terms of family growth and family support. So I think whatever is hidden inside you is going to be really channeled out in a way of family support, and you will literally have a great emotional support. Basically, emotional backing would be there with you, Taurus. I feel this year is also going to give you some sort of emotional happiness. For some of you, it is a child. For some of you, it is marriage, because Jupiter is coming in. So Jupiter gives marriage, settlement, and great wish fulfillment, because the planet of wisdom. So I think you will be getting a great insight also. Some of you may be learning something which will, eventually make you more powerful in your field, or you will learn those tool techniques, skill sets, which is going to give you that happiness, that I am fulfilled with what I wanted. That's why I was getting that intuition that you may learn something, you may grow in some field, some technique, something you're going to learn. Or it could be a basic learning of life lessons also, but you feel like you've learned, you've understood why all that has happened with you, and you will move ahead with grace and those learnings, with the conclusions that how you have to move forward now. Also, you're turning into be a better human in terms of growth, human growth. Your human growth is happening, which is very good. That childish attitude, that immaturity is going away. Now you're understanding that how to deal with your life. So some of you were actually cribbing, which I also got as an energy, that you were cribbing about things, but now you're dealing with more grace and more maturity and understanding, and with ease. You are getting easy with energies. So yeah, it's a transition phase, I feel. Let's see what is coming up in the major event of your life. See, it's very clear that you're moving away with your own past, with your own past attitude, or something in the past which was not fulfilling, because it is 8 of Cups, which we have just discussed. We've just discussed that 8 of Cups is you're done with your own way of dealing with life, Taurus. You can't deal with your life like this anymore, and you're feeling that absolute push to move forward. And yes, you will have communications with people you were waiting with, and you were thinking that why these people treated me like this, why this happened, why that happened, and you never got closure from many people, many relationships, or many particular relationships. So I feel those people will come back and you will have a closure, or you will have a clear communication, and you will be really telling what you felt about them and what you still feel about them, because you have Page of Swords, which is a clear communication and a very very cutthroat communication. So maybe people who were taking advantage of you from a very long time are unable to now, because you have come in your power. You have understood that what is your worth and how you have to move forward with your worth. And Taurus, you're a very fluid energy, you're very emotional, and you generally get stuck in balancing your emotions. So this year is going to give you that insight of balancing your emotions, and you will tell people that this is who I am. Don't deal with me in this way. You have misunderstood me. Or maybe you'll make people understand you. This is going to be super awesome for you. Then we have a Justice card. So Justice is definitely a great balance between your thinking and the outside world. Also, it is a card of Saturn. So I feel Jupiter and Saturn are definitely the slowest moving planets according to astrology. So there are going to be a long-term events happening in this year 2021. Waiting zones will be over. What divinely guided messages I am getting is you are reaching to your destination. Don't give up. Don't feel it is over. Don't feel that it is not serving you what you wanted. There is some delay and you will be through with it. You will be through with that communication you're looking for. You will be through with everything you're looking for. Just pay attention to your ideas and mindsets. Just pay attention to your intuitions. Take deep breaths whenever you feel heavy, and you will be lifted high with angelic powers. This is so good. This is so good. I feel that communication will lift the veil, and you will be through with what was pending. And Two of Wands, which we got as a challenge. Maybe some of you were unable to move ahead without that communication, without that last deal, the closure. This will happen. The major attraction I'm getting in your reading is towards this Justice card and Ten of Cups. So I feel the closure is not the closure of a relationship. It will be a closure of the past chapter which in relationships you people have faced. But it is going to be a very, very important relationship for you. So I don't see a relationship is closing. I'm seeing some doors are closing, but some relationship is opening, because you have Ten of Cups. So Ten of Cups is your luck. So maybe you thought somebody is your family, but something happened. You're getting back your family, or maybe you're getting people like that back in your life whom you lost, or maybe you never had those communications with them, what you actually felt for them, what they felt for you. And now you have Justice. So it is very, very clear that you are going to get justice. You are going to get that answer which you're looking for. That absolute deal is going to break, and you are going to win in that, because universe is saying this is it. What you are supposed to do is you have to move away from that situation. You have to just let go of your emotional attachments with that situation, and it will unfold automatically to you. This is amazing. Now let's see what is the divine guidance for you. It is Four of Pentacles, the Magician, and the Eight of Wands. Very clear that you were so possessive about this relationship. You were so possessive about, some of you from the past 2-3 years, you were also possessive about money. You were just engrossed in making money, keeping your emotional side literally, just unanswered. You were not valuing your own emotions, but now you've understood that life cannot only be for money. You make money to live, but if you forget to live, money is of no use. So I think Four of Pentacles, divine guidance is don't be possessive of how much you're earning. See how much you're living. See how much you're living, and see how much you're enjoying your life. And let go of these possessions, because this will not give anything. Why? Because after this you have Magician, which is clear that any manifestation you want, you have to have your 4 elements balanced: air, water, fire and earth. And that's how you manifest anything. With Four of Pentacles, you are having grounding, a lot of earth element. What about fire? What about air and water? So you have to have that balance. Why? Because I'm getting one more card, that is Eight of Wands. which is a combination of Saturn and Mars to me. So Saturn is already coming as justice. Mars is that fire. So I think most of you missed that fire in you in the recent past. You were planning, you were wanting things, but that fire was not there within you. Now it's going to come out. Divine is with you. Also, Magician card says as a planet, Mercury is going to be super active, and also you can work on your planet of Mercury. So that is communication and all the skill sets towards communication, digital media, and everything which you show to the world through your digital content, or by blogging or writing or something related with communication with the other world. So yes, you can do that. Also, Divine is saying that improve your intuition, improve your thought process, work on it. So I feel meditation would help, or I feel reading would help some of you. Read the things which you want to achieve in your life, the books written on that. That might help you a lot. Overall, this year is definitely a transition year where you're leaving behind everything which was keeping you stuck in your career, as well as getting some sort of clarity in your relationship. The waiting zone is over because you've stopped waiting. And Divine says that you have to keep on moving. Actions will happen according to your movement. So you are moving away from some situation. Some of you are looking forward to move abroad, which will be successful eventually. Just you have to spend some money, because you cannot be possessive so much about your money to go forward. Also, your communication, your throat chakra in this year 2021 is going to be active, super active. So you will have communication, because we have Magician as well as Page of Wands. So both are very clear that your communication which was not happening, the communication which was just hindered, stopped, blocked, or maybe you were blocked by someone, or somebody has actually blocked you from a very long time, and now it's going to be unblocked, and you will be like literally surprised to have a communication with that person. The 2021 would be a fulfilling year for you emotionally as well as expression wise. So you will be able to express everything, whatever you ever wanted to say to this person. Just you have to let yourself free, because Four of Pentacles is also not opening up. So you have to open up and you will be free. I'm really happy with one thing, that you're going to get justice. You're going to get justice and you're going to move ahead. Some of you, I feel, still you have already moved ahead. You know that things are pending, but you are still feeling, you're still working on things. You have started working on those things. So which is very, very good. The challenge is that you can't crib. You should not crib. You should focus more and stop balancing, take actions. Because keep on balancing is okay, but you have to take actions also, so whatever is pending, whatever is. And also I'm getting that some people would start to work together, maybe doing two work together. So it is possible that you will be having a lot of work in this year. So focus is very important, otherwise you will lose time and money without that focus. And the Jupiter is definitely telling you that phase of being quiet, lonely, waiting is over. I'm getting you the clarity you want, and there are shifts happening in Jupiter in the coming month. It's going to enter another sign, so definitely there will be shifts. So I hope, Taurus, you're getting clarity with my reading. I hope you are happy that the communication which is pending is now going to happen. Do comment whenever you get to talk to that person, that family member, or somebody you were in love with, and let me know which month of your year that happened. And please do share, like, subscribe my video if you like my content. Also do see videos of medical things which I'm going to make, so you can help people by sharing those videos, because most of us do have mental and emotional health issues which should be addressed, and I'm coming from that background which is just a helping background. We are healers and we do help. So thank you so much, and keep watching my channel. Thank you.